Hi friends, first of all thank you friends for being in my video, and today we are going to discuss agriculture current affairs for the month of July 2020 and also the important dates related to agriculture in the month of July. Let's start the video. Mausam app for weather forecasting was launched by Harshvardhan, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Science and Technology, and Minister of Health Science. Uttarakhand state has developed India's first lichen park as a research center with over 150 lichen species. Bharati AXA General Insurance Company launched crop insurance campaign Bahut Zaruri Hai for farmers in Maharashtra and Karnataka states. Chakravarti Rangarajan won the first Professor P.C. Mahalanobis National Award on National Statistics Day. And we earlier in my current videos we observed that June 29th is the day of National Statistics and P.C. Mahalanobis, who is called as father of statistics. Cotton Corporation of India will set up its own warehouse in Vietnam country to boost cotton export. E-Kisan Dhan app was launched by HDFC Bank for farmers in India. Professor Ratan Nal and Uma Leela are scientists from India has been named as members of international scientist group to offer foremost scientific evidence for sustainable food system for Global Food Summit 2021. India ranks third position among the top 10 countries that have gained forest area during 2010 and 2020. According to the report, annual marine fish landings in India for 2019 by Central Marine Fish Research Institute CMFRI, India's marine fish production has increased marginally by 2.1%. 5 days subtropical fruit expo 2020 at the Center for Subtropic Fruit was organized at Haryana State. Mission Vriksharopan 2020 campaign was launched by Uttar Pradesh state government. World class state of art honey testing laboratory is inaugurated in Gujarat state, and board of honeybees is located at Pune. Odisha state government launched first of its kind scheme Balaram to provide agriculture credit of rupees 1040 crores to landless farmers facing hardship during COVID-19. Kanan CS Warrior received 2019 National Award of Excellence for Outstanding Research in Forestry from the Indian Council of Forest Research and Education ICFRE Dehradun, Uttarakhand. PM Narendra Modi on July 10, 2020 inaugurated the Asia's largest power solar plant in Madhya Pradesh state. Joram Mega Food Park Limited was launched by Union Minister of Food Processing Industries Srimati Harshimrat Kaur Badal in Mizoram. The new administrative and academic building of IARI at Gauriam Karma in Hazaribagh, Jharkhand is named after famous person Dr. Sham Prasad Mukherjee, and this IARI is named as in Jharkhand is second IARI and the first IARI is at New Delhi. India partnered with Chile for co-hosting the On the Road to the International Year of Fruits and Vegetables 2021. Rajasthan state launched the week-long campaign Pure for Sure from 8th July 2020 to ensure the purity of milk and milk products. In Karnataka state, NABARD has extended a grant assistance of 222.89 crores to support 298 watershed projects. National Institute of Food and Agriculture appointed Parag Chitnis as a new acting director. NABARD has provided credit support of 1,607 crores to West Bengal state during COVID-19 pandemic. Raitu Bharosa Kendra has started in the state Andhra Pradesh. Tamil Nadu state recently announced for the establishment of Turmeric Research Institute. NABARD organized Digital Chowpal on its 39th Foundation Day. The Foundation Day of NABARD is 12th July 1982. 5,000 crores has been allocated by NABARD under its refinance scheme for financial institutes and banks. 1.5 degree centigrade average global temperature to grow over the next 5 years as per World Meteorological Organization estimates. Tamil Nadu state topped in fish production 2019 according to CMFRI report 2019. Important point: Tamil Nadu state topped. Until now, West Bengal is the top in the fish production. Now it's turn of Tamil Nadu. And the important dates we are going to see July 10th, National Fish Farmers Day. And theme is Gratitudinal Tribute to the Fish Farmers of the Nation. July 11th, World Population Day. July 26th, International Day for the Conservation of Mangrove Ecosystem. July 28th, World Nature Conservation Day.